Do you want Samsung Internet to reopen directly in secret mode after you close the browser? There's a setting for that. Let me show you how it works. First, open the Samsung Internet app. Tap the tabs icon. Then tap the more icon in the top right corner. Select secret mode setting. Now, find stay in secret mode after closing browser. Then turn it on. Now, when you are browsing in secret mode, then close the Samsung Internet app. When you open Samsung Internet again, it will take you directly back to secret mode. And if you have locked secret mode, you will need to enter your secret mode password or use your biometric to continue. Now, go back to the menu, then turn the option off. Open secret mode. Close the app. As you can see, Samsung Internet will always open in normal mode when you reopen the app, regardless of which mode you were using before you close it. So, if you want Samsung Internet to remember that you were using secret mode, turn the option on. And that's how to stay in secret mode after closing Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.